Number 5C, assess 5 benefits of having a compliance strategy to an organization. Advantages or benefits of having a compliance strategy. Benefits of having a compliance strategy. The first benefit is compliance strategy helps in legal and regulatory compliance. The second benefit is that is in relation to risk mitigation. Number 3, a compliance strategy enhances reputation of the organization. Number 4, it improves operational efficiency. Number 5 is in relation to ethical standards and corporate culture. Those are 5 benefits. Benefits of having a compliance strategy. Legal and regulatory compliance is the first one. Legal and regulatory compliance. A compliance strategy helps organizations stay in line with applicable laws, regulations, and industry standards. It also ensures that the organization's operations, policies, and practices comply with legal requirements, reducing the risk of penalties, fines, and legal consequences. So a compliance strategy helps the company to comply with legal and regulatory requirements. Risk mitigation. Number 2. Compliance strategy identifies and addresses potential risks and vulnerabilities within the organization. And by implementing measures to mitigate risks, such as maybe data protection or even financial integrity and environmental compliance, the organization protects itself from reputational damage and financial losses. So a compliance strategy will help in risk mitigation. Enhanced reputation. A robust compliance strategy enhances the organization's reputation and instills trust among stakeholders. It demonstrates the organization's commitment to ethical conduct, transparency, accountability, which can attract investors. It can attract this reputation can attract customers and even business partners. So having a compliance strategy can enhance the reputation of an organization. It may lead to improved operational efficiency. Improved operational efficiency. Compliance strategy streamlines processes and establishes clear guidelines, leading to improved operational efficiency. It may also help eliminate redundant and non-compliant practices, which may reduce errors and also enhances the overall organizational effectiveness. 5, ethical standards and corporate culture. Ethical standards and corporate culture. A compliance strategy promotes ethical behavior and fosters a culture of compliance within the organization. Why? because it sets standards for ethical conduct, integrity, and responsible business practices, creating a positive work environment and aligning employees with the organization's values. And candidates, having a well-defined compliance strategy is crucial in today's complex regulatory environment. Why? Because it enables organizations to navigate the legal and operational challenges effectively, protecting stakeholders' interests. It may also help maintain sustainable growth. So these are 5 benefits of having a compliance strategy. 1, legal and regulatory compliance, risk mitigation, enhanced reputation, improved operational efficiency, and lastly, ethical standards and corporate culture. Ethical standards and corporate culture. These are 10 marks. 5 points, 10 marks. 5 points, 10 marks. So that will mark the end of the revision of that question. August 2022, question 4, meetings, compliance, and administration. We'll meet in our next session to answer question number 5. Bye-bye.